The final experiments have been devastating for flat Earth. It's so obvious that they don't have a working model. They can't explain how the sun works on a flat Earth, and they have no map. When I yesterday made a video about the latest video from the creator of the original Black Swan video, I did see comments from Tabo Conspiracy and Nathan Oakley that thought it was a great video. So today I first of all will make a better estimation of the height he filmed from that video, and then I will have a closer look on Nathan Oakley and Tabo Conspiracy regarding the 24-hour sun in Antarctica, because flat earthers like them are now moving the goalposts, and they are saying that they have never claimed things regarding Antarctica. Let's look at the short part from bmlsb video that I debunked yesterday. Here he measures wrongly 70 feet, measures the fence, and then he uses a Theolite app in his iPhone and measures 70 feet. Then he uses a curve calculator with 70 feet and get 164 feet hidden, and don't calculate with refraction. And it's the one to the left, the platform to the left, he claims that proves a flat Earth. But what is missing? The bottom of the platform as usual. And as you see here, Tabo Conspiracy, Nathan Oakley, Wide Awake, the plane throws, and a lot of other flat earthers thinks it's a great video. On Google Earth I measured it to be 29 meters at a position quite close to where he was standing. So what is the correct one? The one with the Theolite app in his phone or Google Earth? Starstone2, one of my followers, sent me a link in the comments section to official papers about the heights in Santa Barbara, California. 29 meters, as I measured on Google Earth, is 95 feet, and he states 70 feet. So let's have a look at this document. Here is his location. He was standing at 88.1 feet, and he used 70 feet in his calculation, and he didn't calculate with refraction, as I proved in my video from yesterday where I used his 70 feet and strong refraction. It was no problem to see that it was what you saw in the image. It was things missing in the bottom of the platform, but this is great science according to Taboo and Nathan. So let's go on and have a look at Taboo and Nathan and what they have said about Antarctica before the final experiment. Let's start with looking at the video that Nathan Oakley posted 6 months ago, and the title is The Final Experiment. It's from an older video by him, but it's like a response for that Will started the final experiment.
We may never get this opportunity. Let's face it, you might be assassinated tomorrow. Can you go through what you have, boiled down from your time in Antarctica?
The summer sunrise, sunset.
Yeah, the sunrise again. In the summertime, the sun is a lot higher, and then in the wintertime it gets a lot lower. And obviously, it's the lowness that's giving it the appearance of darkness, kind of thing.
But if you would describe how the sun rises and sets, what the sun does in the
summertime, it does more of an arc, and in the wintertime it's even flatter. So you'd be kind of doing something it's similar to that, and then obviously summertime's more that.
Up and down on the horizon, it's not going round and around above your head in circles.
No, I just sit and looked at it thinking, oh look, the sun's spiraling above my head or something like that. It did like a better 180 arc, not like a 360, so you see it move in and move out, so it wasn't just like straight across, but yeah.
So he published once again the video with the plumber that claims that he have worked on bases on Antarctica. So Nathan claimed with this video that there are no 24-hour sun at Antarctica. And let's have a look at the video from Tabo Conspiracy he calls "Sorry, Antarctica is closed."
Welcome everyone. This video is in response to the many globe propagandists who demand that I show a picture of the edge of the flat earth. For the dozens of these ball-loving zealots with multiple sock puppet accounts who repeat this mantra daily, your demand is ridiculous. But you probably already knew that, right? And that's why you probably keep demanding it. I'm going to prove in this video that independent travel is not allowed under the Antarctic Treaty System. That fact alone should cause any thinking person to begin questioning our official models. Because something big is being hidden from we, the plebeians, and we're not talking about penguins.
And still, this gang is at Antarctica right now. And then we have maps. Taboo uses this one in his video, and let's have a listen to Nathan Oakley. This is a part from his video "Maps prove the Earth is measurable flat."
All maps are flat. Now, all maps are inaccurate currently because they've come from globe projections. What's that? You admit that they came from a globe? No, they didn't. The globe came from flat Earth measurements of the latitude and longitude grid, angle measurements to Polaris in the first instance, and the sun for a time denotation that's used with GMT. That's how our navigation system works. It's been measured off a flat Earth.
So according to this genius, first you measure it on the flat Earth. Then you make a globe model of it, and from that globe model you make the maps. How stupid can a human being be? Why would they do that? Nathan Oakley lacks all knowledge and experience about anything regarding navigation. If you shows clowns like Nathan and Tabo Conspiracy something like this, they will scream, "That's not our model." For a long time, flat earthers have addressed this map as the flat earth map, but as more are debunked about this map, they claim that that's not their map. When those fools realized that the trip to Antarctica would be a reality in December, they changed their mind regarding the sun and claims that what the sun does have nothing to do with the shape of the earth. Before TFE, all of them claimed that there were no midnight sun in Antarctica, and that proved the flat earth. They are talking about the globe model, but what is the flat earth model? They can't show it, they don't claim to have a map, they can't explain the sun. Flat earth is dead. Flat earth channels is only based on lies and fantasies. They have no evidence at all. And when a smaller flat earth channel makes claims and shows video, for instance the one I showed in the beginning of this video, bigger channels like Tabo Conspiracy, David Wise, Nathan Oakley, uses their material as evidence for flat earth without looking critical at the so-called evidence. If you make, for instance, a debunk video, you seldom get a reply from them. If you make a comment on their channels, they delete the comment and they block you. They are afraid of facts. Oh dear. Flat Earth is slowly dying. Okay, that was all I had for you today. I will be back soon. Hope you liked the video. Bye.